The genitive case of the noun often expresses possession or close association. Tai ur ma feher, my sister's new house. Peher, not puher. Or mlach and tokalich, the roof of the building. Tokalich, not tokalach. But the genitive is also heard after some prepositions. For example, rituv, beside. Rituv na haine, beside the river. Na haine rather than a navin. Or bheil of an tluai, in front of the crowd. And tluai rather than an slúach. You'll also hear the genitive used after what we call present participles. A Genitive, a gaol, a giari, a feichgin. Charami a giari a ginideach. I didn't want the money. Ginideach rather than ginideach. Nowadays, this tends to be only heard when the noun is definite. So, I could see a light is simply va mi a feichgin solas. But I could see the light va mi a feichgin an tolish.